So it's my favorite time. It's grilling. Check this out. We're gonna load up this meat. I'm gonna let you know when I put it on. I'm not using my Brinkman today. I'm using my boy smoker. I'm gonna show you how I put it together, load it up. We're gonna get to smoking some meat. So what I'm gonna be throwing this meat on is this charbroil. Nice little temperature gauge on it. Pretty cool. Nice little setup we got for graduation or his birthday. We got 1, 2, 3 racks. We already got it going. I put some water in the water pan, and then right here I got some applewood chips. You see the burning coil right there to heat everything up. So once this bad boy start get the purring and get to kicking out some smoke, we're gonna load some meat up on 1, 2. We got 3 racks. On one of these racks I got a surprise, so I can't wait to show you that. So what we got here is we got a good old chuck. Nice chuck. Sometimes they come in a single pack, sometimes they come in a double. I got the double. I got the other one right here. Season, basic rub. Use what you got in your cabinet. Not go out and buy something. It's pretty easy. I use Goya, a little garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, a couple other things in there. This one I'm gonna leave in the pan. That's gonna go in the smoker just like that. This one I'm gonna marinate. Put a little twist on it with some of this right here. We got these meats here. This is the one that I had marinating in the Korean barbecue mix. This is the one I just seasoned up regular, savory. So what I'm gonna add in there is a little cola, put a little moisture, put the steam up in there. Let the fats, the natural juices of the meat mix in with this soda. And we're gonna get it going. All right, we're about to get this meat loaded up. Right now, we're at about 275. That's good, nice heat. So we purring, as you can see. Oh yeah, that's the one with the cola. And here goes what I like to call my smoked Korean barbecue one. So we got these bad boys loaded. We got the water pan going. We got the apple chips going. The heating coil is kicking. We're gonna shut this bad boy up. We're gonna let this run for about, I don't know, we're gonna check it in about 2 hours. Then we're gonna see where it's at. It's your boy Kenny, smoking meat, part 2, Sunday cooking. Just felt like cooking, right. So we're about an hour in, about 260, 265. Oh yeah, that's going good. That bottom one is coming along, that top one. This. So. We're spraying that with a little cola. Everything's going good. Wood chips is going, water pan is looking good. So let's close this. As you can see, the temp drops real quick in these smokers, but it recovers real fast. So it's gonna get back up to about that 250, 260 mark. Then we're gonna let it go and check it in another hour. It's been about 2 hours. Let's get in here and check in on this meat. So we're at about 250. Temperature dropped a little bit. So let's check in on this meat. When you open this bad boy, move, because the heat that comes out is overwhelming and it hurts. So that's the chuck that I marinated with the Korean barbecue sauce. Well, actually not a Korean barbecue sauce, it was a Korean barbecue marinade. This one, just seasoned it up, threw a little cola in there. So it's time. Water pan looking good. I think I got enough smoke on there. So I'm just spraying that with some cola to form a nice crust, keep the moisture on top. But these is looking good. I'm gonna let them go another hour, and then we're gonna wrap them. And then that's that surprise I was telling y'all about. So we're about 3 hours down. I pulled the meat. Check this out. So this is the one that was marinated in the Korean barbecue marinade. I'm just basting it a little bit. This one is the one I just seasoned and put a little cola in there. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit more cola in there. And then we're gonna add some butter. So we're topping this bad boy with some butter. And then I'm gonna put a few fresh sprigs of thyme. With my Korean barbecue marinade one, of course, we're gonna add some butter on there. We already basted it with the marinade that's in there. And on top of that butter, add a little brown sugar. I usually go dark corn syrup, but I'm going brown sugar with this one. Just because, for me, it'll go better with the marinade. Alright, so we about to put these bad boys to sleep. So we don't need to add any more wood. I'm done with the smoke flavor. I added some more water in the water pan for the steam and the moisture in there, because we need it for this bad boy right here. This is a peach cobbler. That's the surprise. Threw it right in there in the smoker. It's made with not your regular type of dough. That's actually sugar cookie mix. Yeah. So quick fix, nice quick dessert. Doing it all in one unit. That's how you do it, baby. Just felt like cooking. So it's been about 2 hours since we popped in this cobbler, and it look about done. Let's pull it. And that is hot. Look at that. Peach cobbler with a sugar cookie crust done in the smoker right along with that meat. So we got about another hour for this meat, but check out this cobbler. Alright, so I didn't do this. My beautiful wife put together this cobbler and suggested that we do it on the smoker. We didn't watch it on TV plenty of times, and now we got the means to do it ourselves. So this is a peach cobbler that we did in our smoker, or my son's smoker. And it smells amazing. I can't wait to crack into this bad boy. Like, I want to eat this first. I'm not even gonna lie. But it's hot. Please, when you take something out your smoker, let it cool down. Don't let the kids get into it. Don't try to sample a piece, because you're gonna burn yourself. Smoked peach cobbler. I can't believe we did this. So we got these bad boys pulled. About 5 hours of cooking. As you can see, this is fall apart tender. This is what you call that budget brisket. Okay, you get you a good chuck steak, smoke it up. Put some thyme on there for a little added savoriness and flavor, along with some butter, and that's good. Now this is the one that I marinated in the Korean barbecue marinade. Put some butter and brown sugar on it, and that looks good. It looks real good. Came out good. The sauce tastes amazing. Has some sesame seeds in the sauce, so we just glaze it like that to make it glisten. Yeah, that sauce is gonna go good with the meat. And as you can see, this one fall apart, buddy. fall apart. This is that budget brisket. You could have cut this up. Some people take it and cut it up and make little burnt ends with it. Let's get a little taste here. Real good. Real good. A lot of fat in this piece of meat, and I could taste it. It rendered down real good. The marinade itself had a little spice on it, so that was pretty good. Let's try a piece of this one. Poured the cola in there with this one. Nice and savory. The thyme brought it out. The thyme is added in there. You can taste it. Subtle hint of thyme. But we're going to get this bad boy plated up. I'm going to show you what else to put together. I'm going to walk through together some sides. Got some veggies and some rice going on. I'm going to make a plate and let y'all check it out. So I got something plated up here. This is the Korean barbecue and marinated chuck roast. This is the one that I just seasoned and added a little cola in the pan with it. I smoked it for about 3 hours, pulled it, covered them both in butter, added a little bit more cola to this one, added some brown sugar to this one to complement the Korean barbecue marinade. Got some nice simple brown rice, love brown rice. Got some veggies, got the squash, steamed up with some carrots, seasoned up nicely, got a little spice on there. Wife hooked this up, love that. So let me get another piece. This is the Korean marinated one. And I got a little piece of fat on there, so I know that's going to be amazing. So savory. I don't think you're going to get nothing like this anywhere else. A little brown rice. Mixes in with the gravy. Of course, you know, carrot. That's it. So, yeah, that's amazing. We know that. But the star of the show is this cobbler my wife hooked up. And it is a peach cobbler that we did on the smoker. She did it with the sugar cookie crust. And I cannot believe it. This should be illegal. This should be illegal. I don't even want no more of the meat. Aisha. Woo. Okay, like I said, I really want to eat that first, and I think I might. This your boy Keenan. Just felt like cooking. Part 2. Sunday cooking. Got breakfast done this morning. Breakfast tacos. Smoked some meat up. Did it 2 different ways. Budget brisket. You don't need to go out and buy an expensive cut of meat if you want to enjoy some good bovine brilliance. Get you a chuck steak. Smoke it. You can throw it in the crock pot or whatever. Smoke it. Get you some brown rice. Healthy. Get you some squash and carrots. Veggies. Nice and healthy. And smoke your desserts. I can't illustrate that anymore. Keenan signing out. Another episode just felt like cooking. This was actually part 2. As you can see, I'm still eating this peach cobbler. It's amazing. Like when I first tasted it, I almost cried. Like I got that lump in my throat. That's how good it is. It is, you know, it hits home. It's something that hits straight to the heart. Smoke your desserts.